Google Pixel event just went down, and you would think that with the amount of leaks and rumors that have happened for this devices over the past year, that would be predictable event. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, they very much look like the Pixel 6 now that it's an established visor identity. But this time the visor is metal instead of glass, and you can also see the Pixel 7 visor as matte while the Pixel 7 Pro visor is glossy. Pixel 7 has a silky matte finish on the aluminium camera bar and housing with 3 colors option. It features a sharp 6.3-inch display with a smaller bezels and 25% higher peak brightness for incredible outdoor visibility during the day. Pixel 7 Pro, you can see the premium polished aluminium finish on the camera bar and housing with 3 colors option. Pixel 7 Pro has an upgraded super sharp 6.7-inch display with its variable refresh rate. Pixel 7 Pro has a triple rear camera system featuring upgraded telephoto and ultra-wide cameras. Its front-facing ultra-wide camera is great for low-light selfies, videos and more. The main features of the Pixel 7 series, though, they come from the camera with cinematic blur, available for both phones, which is track subject and artificially blur background. On the Pro phones there's a new ultra-wide with autofocus, and just on the Pro phone that is 21% wider, and should be able to take some decent macro photos now with these focus pixels. The Pixel 7 display is flat again, and you can see the cutout at the top for the new ultra-wide 11-megapixel selfie camera that they both share. But the Pixel 7 Pro display curves over the edges a bit less than before, and it's just a subtle curve now. There's a new 5x telephoto camera that's also 48 megapixel again. Google Pixel 7 has 4K capable front-facing cameras, and Pixel phones have been renowned for their photography. Google fantastic image processing software, and this software may be why Google hasn't felt the need to change the 50 megapixel / 1.85 giganewtons 1 primary and 12.5 megapixel / 2.2 ultra-wide lenses found on the Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 6. Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro comes with super resume up to 8x on the Pixel 7 and 30x on the Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel 7 lineup sports the faster and smarter Tensor G2 chip, and the Tensor chip inside the Pixel phones powers Google's machine learning tools, allowing the phone to translate languages in real time to operate and make complicated camera tricks accessible for everyone. The Pixel 7 Pro has a face unlock option now, but Google says that this is only for unlocking the phone. It's still not safe to use for banking and payment apps, as it's not a 3D scanner like the one on the iPhones, but still a good alternative to the sluggish fingerprint scanner on the Pixel 6. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.